Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Yeah, today's video we're gonna actually be doing, it just came along. The guys are gonna be going out to catch some sprats and stuff like that and whatever else they can be able to bring in. And it's gonna be an epic video, I would suppose, because you don't know, outdoors and just seeing stuff that you've never seen before possibly is always great.
If you guys are real Jamaicans, name this fruit. Drop it in the comments. Name the fruit that this
No, don't speak off on the panic. Speak off on those people.
So of course, I was eating fish, so I think I gotta earn my keep, so to speak. So I'm gonna help them take some of the fish off. So they taught me the trick just now. Wherever the head goes through the net, that is where you're gonna just pull it through. So instead of trying to pull it back, it's kind of cool. So this is a sprat, I believe. If you are a Jamaican or you've been to Jamaica already, you know fried sprat is really good.
Lion.
So I don't know if you guys remember the video that I did cooking up the lionfish. That's actually the lionfish with the scales still on and the venomous spine still on. So let me tell you, man, you gotta be very careful when you come on to preparing it and stuff like that. Oh, you might have seen the spearfish are walking backwards. There's a reason for that, because the fins, like you might wonder how is it that they walk with it. They walk backwards so the fins don't, you know, make it difficult.
So you ever get like stuck down in them something?
Yeah, 2 times.
2 times? Just very painful.
Very painful. Yeah.
But talk true, Zine. A fish so venomous. Must be a reason you can taste it down.
Very much.
Yo, cook it one day and remember me tell them. Really nice.
Very much.
as far as I can remember, before even having the very first chance of even eating sprat, I learned about sprat through a book, a literature book called Sprat Morrison. I think it was a fat kid who just he just enjoyed eating sprats. And as I grew up, I definitely learned more about sprat. That it's I don't know about the younger generation now, or even my generation at all, if we really even eat sprat like that. But I do know, like my mom, my grandmother always used to have sprat fried very dry. Sorry, that's how they used to have it. I don't know if you guys have had sprat and you enjoy it. Drop it in the comments and just let us know what your memory was about eating sprat. Have I had it before? I believe I have, but possibly never in a traditional Jamaican way.
Roll up in there, rough in your hand and then push in your back.
Yeah, I always wanted to figure out how the hell is it that fishermen put the nets away. Like when we used to have the corded headphones, like it was so difficult just to untangle the cords from my headphones, much less something that's probably 100 feet. It's ridiculous.
They start to taste good.
Vitamin C.
They start to taste good, aye.
Alright guys, so the net has been hauled back in and stuff like that. The water is pretty flat right now. It would have been a great time to actually take out the boat and do whatever, but by the time I'm supposed to get to the side of the island that I want to be on, I would not. You guys can see the sky is beautiful sunset or whatever it is that's happening. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense to be quite honest. So I'm just gonna chill here. Yeah, tonight I'm just gonna sleep in my car, to be quite honest. Wake up a little bit early, maybe about, I don't know, maybe 4:35, so I say, and see how that goes, man.
Marvin.
Alright, so this is definitely going to be my home sweet home for the next couple hours. I don't know if I said it before, but I'm leaving out tomorrow about, I don't know, sunset is about 5:30 a.m. tomorrow, so hopefully I can get a jump on that to start unloading the kayak, getting some stuff over to the spot that I need to get to. So that's gonna be the whole vibe, to be quite honest. Lucky enough, I don't quite mind because I can charge this camera tonight, charge up back the GoPro again as well, so I can get some extra juice. I'm just happy that I was able to give you guys some content. If you guys appreciate, you know, videos like these, you know, I don't know, for whatever reason you enjoy these videos, you'll drop a like on the video, I'd appreciate it, or share it with a friend. But anyway, tonight these guys are coming back around 11 o'clock, they said, to check the pots. I will not be videoing that because any reasonable person realizes that once it gets kind of dark with my lens or my camera, it's not going to be the best video, so it doesn't make sense doing that. So I will catch you guys in the morning. And I look at yo, I have to say, I'm just looking forward to this entire adventure. Maybe I will be out here for 2 days, 1 night, I don't know, but we'll see how far we can take it. Drop in the comments, let me know, how long do you think I will be out here for? If you think I could make it for 1 day, 2 days, how tough could I be? But anyway guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep linking.